30 days, $0. One mission, to make $10,000 online without spending anything upfront. No fancy setup, no paid tools, just hustle and smart strategies. Let's see what worked, what flopped, and how you can do this too. I started by identifying the best beginner-friendly income streams: freelancing, affiliate marketing, content creation, and print on demand. First, I created a Fiverr gig for AI voiceovers using free tools like ElevenLabs and ChatGPT. Then, I joined affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. My first Fiverr order came in, $15 for a short video script. I also earned $12 through an affiliate sale on a productivity tool I promoted on Reddit and Medium. Next, I focused on content. I started a YouTube Shorts channel using AI-generated scripts and voiceovers. Posted 2 to 3 videos per day. I also set up a print-on-demand store on Etsy using Canva designs and connected it with Printful. My first t-shirt sale earned $9.80. Not everything was smooth. One viral TikTok brought traffic, but no sales. My Etsy listings barely got views. I realized I needed better SEO and niche targeting. By day 30, here's what I earned. Fiverr, $245 affiliate marketing, $182 print on demand, $32 YouTube Shorts monetization, $41 total, $500, not $10,000, but a solid start. If you're serious about making money online, this is just the beginning. Subscribe for real results, free guides, and the next 30-day challenge. Maybe you'll be in it. Comment below. Which income stream should I double down on next?